Hi guys, this is Puneet and I welcome you to this video. Today's video topic is how you can view the package objects in SQL Server Integration Services. Before we proceed ahead, I would request you guys to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. There's a subscribe button coming below this video. Click on that subscribe button. It will show you the bell icon. Click on that bell icon, select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future and upcoming video. So let me give you 5 seconds. Please go ahead and subscribe right away. So guys, I hope you must have subscribed by now. So let's go through this topic. Uh, Let me take you through notes. So I will write the notes alongside. I will teach you the topic. So today we are talking about viewing the package objects in SSIS Designer. So in SSIS Designer, the Package Explorer tab provides an Explorer view of the package. So let me write that. The Package Explorer tab, which is basically comes under the SSIS Designer. This Package Explorer tab provides an Explorer view of the package. Alright, and if we talk about this Explorer view, this view particularly reflects the container hierarchy. So it shows you the structure in a containerized form of the integration services architecture. So the structure will be in like container form. I will show you shortly how to go to the Explorer tab in SSIS Designer. Now the package container is at the top of the hierarchy. So let me take you there. So in order to go to the SSIS Designer, you need to open the Visual Studio, whatever version you have. And the requirement for this video is that you must have installed Visual Studio along with the SQL Server data tools. And I have a video related to that. You may find that video in one of our playlist for SSIS. So we have a playlist for SSIS where you can find the video to download and install the SSDT and the Visual Studio. For now, let me open up one of the projects that we had created earlier. There's also a tutorial which you can follow to build the integration project. Let me show you channel quickly. If you can give me a second. Give me a second. Let me take you through my channel page. I hope I can open the channel from here maybe. So let me click on my channel. So this is my channel page. You can open it via this particular URL, youtube.com/@techiebeneath. So yeah, I have posted around 314 videos. These are the videos available on my channel. You can go through them. So once you reach the home page of my channel, if you scroll to the bottom of my channel page, over the right hand side, if you scroll towards the right, you will see a playlist on SQL Server Integration Services. And just below that, if you want to view the full playlist, click on this view full playlist option. And once you click on the view full playlist, you will see a list of videos. And basically, if you see the second video, how to install integration services and SQL Server data tools, you need to go through this video if you want to install the integration services and SQL Server data tools. Apart from that, you can watch the other videos as well, starting from the SQL Server Integration Services overview, its installation, and various other tools and options, user interface, and I've given you the walkthrough of SSIS Designer, and I've talked about various topics like SSIS Toolbox, etc. And we have our integration services project tutorial as well, consists of 12 parts, starting from part 1 till part 12. You can complete this integration services tutorial project to get, so that it can give you the basic ideas on how you can build a SSIS service project. The last two videos are on how to create packages in SQL Server data tools and how you can set the package properties. The upcoming video is on the viewing the package objects, which we are discussing right now. So yeah, the topic which we are learning correctly, there's a prerequisite to it that the integration services and SQL Server data tools must be installed on your system. So watch this video out before you continue with this part, or if you want to experience this video practically or want to learn this video practically, please install these tools, install the required tools. Now, I've opened the deployment tutorial project, which consists of various packages. Right now, if I see data transfer.dtsx package is currently open on the screen, and basically we were talking about the, if I go to Word, we're talking about viewing the package properties. Here we're talking about the package explorer tab, which provides an explorer view of the package. So let's see where this explorer view is. So if you see these 5 items over here, the last item is the package explorer view, and this view basically reflects the container hierarchy of the integration services architecture. So this is a container hierarchy. Let me write that down. View provides the container hierarchy. And the next point is that if we go back to SQL Server Integration Services, the package container is at the top of the hierarchy. So if we take a look at this hierarchy, it is showing me the data transfer container. If we talk about the topmost container, it should be the package container, but right now I see the data transfer container instead, right? Not the package container. But sometimes you do see the package container, but in our case, we are seeing the data transfer container. Let me try to load the other package as well and see what type of container do we see. I've loaded one more package. Let's see the Explorer view of that package as well. So the Explorer view of this package is showing the load XML data, which this is basically showing us the name of the package. If you haven't renamed your packages, in my case, I've renamed my packages. So it is showing me the package name over here, like it is showing on the right hand side, load XML data, right? So you got the idea, right? Otherwise, if you do not rename the default name that comes with the package is package.dtsx. So in our case, we have renamed the package, so appropriate name is coming over here. So this is the package view. Basically, this is the complete package data transfer package, right? So the package view is at the top of the hierarchy, right? And you can expand the package view to view the connections. Here we see the connection manager. Under that, we see all the connections we have. We see some executables. There's the executable section, and we have event handlers as well. In this project or in this package, we don't have any event handlers. But generally, if you have defined any event handlers, you will find the event handlers under this section of event handlers. And we have log providers as well. So in our case, we have included the log providers. So we can expand and take a look at the log providers available in our project, right? And apart from log providers, we have precedence constraints. You can check that out as well. And we have defined one of the precedence constraints here. And we have some variables in the package. So whatever variables are used in the package are defined here, including any user-defined variables. So this is basically the package explorer view I'm trying to explain here. You can go through my integration services project to see how you can build all these items. There's a sample project of 12 videos that I've shown you up on my channel. You can go through that. It's gonna take some time. Once you complete through that project, the things will become more clear to you. All right, so let's move ahead. So far we have talked about the Package Explorer tab, which provides the Explorer view of the package, and we have discussed about that it provides the containerized hierarchy, where the package container comes at the top, and what all sub-tab does it contain, or what are all the hierarchy items, right? So let me write down the package container is at the top of the hierarchy. And if we talk about the hierarchy items include the connections and the executables and the event handlers, right? The log providers, precedence constraints. Let me correct that. So precedence constraints and the variables in the package. So this is the broad overview of the package Actually, this is not the package property, but these are package objects. Giving the what all objects are available in the package. So the package explorer view basically shows you what all objects are available in the package, and this is the hierarchical view, right? And so far we have discussed about some of the package objects, right? All right, let's move ahead, guys. And if we talk about this package explorer tab, you can delete the objects in the package. So you can right click on any of the objects and you can delete that particular object, right? So if you want to delete any variable, you can right click and delete out that variable, right? So in our connections manager, we have various connections. So we can right click and delete out any of the objects from here. So package explorer shows us the components of the package and we can delete various components from here, right? So from this package explorer tab, you can delete objects in a package, and you can also access the properties window to view the object properties. So for example, if you want to view the properties of any of the objects, like if you want to view the properties of this connection, you can right click and click on properties. It will show you the properties window for the particular component. Now this is the section you can take a snapshot of this. So basically what I've shown you, you can right click and either delete the object or view the properties of an object. So I hope this is clear to you. And guys, we are also done with this video. So I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please click on the like button, right? And that is coming below this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. There's a subscribe button coming below this video. Click on that subscribe button. And once you click on the subscribe button, it will give you a bell icon. Click on that bell icon, select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future and upcoming videos. And guys, I'm including the link to my notes library. There's a video notes library as well, which you can find on my channel page. And towards the end of this video, it will also show up as one of the links. And over in the description area, there's a subscriber registration form, which you can fill out to gain access to my notes. So whatever the notes that are related to the integration services, I will put on those notes there. And these notes will keep on updating on my Google Drive basically. So if you want to gain access to that, and currently there's an offer going on that you can get a 1 month of free subscription to my notes. So for example, if I take you through these notes, this is a huge amount of notes. If you want to download these notes or want to go through these notes, do let me know. And you can let me know via filling the subscriber registration form that is coming as a link in the video description area. Fill out that form and I will provide you access to my Google Drive from where you can download the notes for your review. If I take you to my channel, which is this, let me take you to my main channel page. So on my channel page, my first video is this, the SQL Server Notes library. You can go through this video, and this video basically includes the link to the subscriber registration form, which you can fill out. I will also put in that link on this video as well in the video description area. So fill that out and you will gain access to my drive. I can show you my drive as well. So let me open up Drive. So if I take you to my Google Drive, let me take you to my drive. So for this integration services section, let me put up a new section. So let's create a new folder over here. So from here, I can create a new folder. So this new folder name will be SQL Server Integration Services. Or maybe let's just take Integration Services as the name. So I will put the notes related to integration services over there. So you can download them. But yeah, in order to gain access to this particular folder, right, the integration services folder, you need to fill in the subscriber registration form. And let me show you how you can fill out the subscriber registration form. So there's a link to that in the description. And basically, let me show you the interface which you can fill out. So this is the subscriber registration form. Let me see if I can take it through preview. So this is the actual view of the form that you will get. This is the subscriber registration form. You need to fill in your name, you need to fill in your email address, the correct phone number, and for subscription domain for now you can select the SQL Server, and there are four type of subscription available. There's a 1 month subscription available which is free of cost right now, and the requirement for this free subscription is that you should be a subscriber to my channel, and also send me the proof of subscription via email that you're subscribed to my channel, maybe a screenshot from the below part of my video where it shows subscribed, right? And if you want to opt for longer subscription, you can opt for 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months of subscription, so that you should have constant access to my notes. Otherwise, after the 1 month, after your 1 month subscription is expired, your access to notes will be revoked. So you can check out notes on my Google Drive, which is right here. And we have notes for other sections as well. As, for example, we have notes under the business continuity area as well. These days, I'm putting out notes over there. For database design, I haven't put anything yet, but I will keep on putting. And it depends upon the subscription requests I'm getting. I will keep on putting the notes, right? So fill in the subscription request form if you want to gain access. And I hope you must have subscribed by now, guys. And do share my videos with your friends in case you feel my videos are useful for them. Do share it with your friends. I thank you so much for your time on this video today, guys, and you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.